Hey guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to convert an image into a pencil sketch using just a few lines of Python code. So let's jump right into it. So first you need a Python package called OpenCV. So you can use the terminal or the command prompt for the installation. So I'm gonna be using in the inbuilt terminal of VS Code. So I'm gonna be typing in pep install opencv-python. So I've already got it installed on my system, so I'll just close the terminal and import opencv. So I'm gonna be saying import cv2. So cv2 is opencv, okay? And next we will create a variable named image equals cv2.imread. So now you have to provide in the image. So I've got an image which is a C++ logo. So I'll just copy the relative path of that and then just paste it here. Okay, and next we have to convert this image into a grayscale image. So I will say gray image equals to cv2.cvt color, and then you have to type in image as a parameter and then cv2.color and underscore bgr to gray. So color underscore bgr to gray should be capitalized. And now we have to invert this grayscale image. So I will say invert equals to cv2 dot bitwise not, and then you have to provide an gray image. And now we have to blur the inverted image. So I will say blur equals to cv2 dot Gaussian blur, and now in the parameters you have to type invert comma and brackets again and type in 21 and then the final parameter will be 0. And now we have to invert this blur image. So I will say inverted underscore blur equals cv2 dot bitwise underscore not, and in the brackets type in blur. So now we have inverted the blur image, and now at the last we will create a variable sketch cv2 dot divide, and then you have to type in gray image inverted blur, and then the scale will be 256.0. And now we have to write the sketch on our system. So we'll say cv2 dot imwrite, and then in the parameters you have to provide in the name for a file. So I will provide sketch.png and the variable should be sketch. So now let's run this code and we should get the sketch. So as you can see, the code has been executed. So now let me just open up the Explorer, and as you can see we have got a new file sketch.png. So let me just open up that. So as you can see, this is the sketch of C++ logo. So let me show you the C++ logo. So this is the C++ logo and this is the sketch of C++ logo. Okay, so that is it for this video, and if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and also make sure to hit that subscribe button and also smash that bell icon to get all my notifications first whenever I post a video. Okay, so that's all for this video. Thanks for watching and peace.